Hola amigos, hola. Today we're going to talk about expresiones con el clima. So expressions using the weather. The weather. As you can see in the little picture, you can see several weather situations and how are they expressed in Spanish. So let's look on this side. Llueve, llueve, it rains. Llueve mucho. Llueve poco. It rains mucho. It rains a lot. Llueve mucho. Llueve poco. It rains a few. It rains a little bit. Llueve. Está muy nublado o está nublado. It's cloudy. It's very cloudy. If you want to use very, you want to say muy. Está muy nublado. Cloudy. We have hace mucho fresco. It's nice. Hace mucho fresco. It's nice. It's sometimes related to breeze also. Hace mucho fresco. Hace mucho sol. It's very sunny. Hace sol or hace mucho sol. It is sunny. It is very sunny. Hace mucho calor. Hace calor. It's hot. Now, here I have to make a parenthesis and say it's not caliente, because caliente can be referred to temperature-wise. Now, when you want to say that it's hot because of the heat, then it's calor. Hace calor, because heat is oftentimes more related to the word caliente. So you want to say calor instead of caliente. So, hace calor. Hace viento. Hace mucho viento. It's breezy. So viento, wind, windy, breeze. Hace viento, hace mucho viento. Now, pollution, contamination. Hay mucha contaminación. There is a lot of pollution. There is a lot of contamination. So hay mucha contaminación, hay contaminación. Now, if it's snowing, nieva. Notice that I'm saying this in the present. So nieva. Because snow is nieve, but if it's snowing, it's nieva. And rain is lluvia, but if it rains, it's llueve. Cool? Now, the opposite of hot, hace mucho frío, o hace frío. It is cold. Muy bien. Now, watch out, ojo, el tiempo, weather, and time in general. Like time, it's tiempo, and weather is also tiempo. So keep that in mind. What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? So we're also talking about hora, like hour. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? So you're really asking, what hour is it? Okay. Now there is no Spanish equivalent for the English subject it in these weather expressions. Like it is hot, it is cold, and also and so on. So we have the verb alone, like it is, or there is. So hace, está, or hay is everything we need. Okay. Now, así se dice. This is how it's said. Here are some other weather expressions that you might hear. Está nublado or está nubloso. It's cloudy. Nieva o está nevoso. It's snowing or it's snowy. Llueve o está lluvioso. It rains or it's rainy. Now, hace sol o está soleado. It's sunny or there's the sun out. Either one is fine. And they are the same thing. They mean the same thing. Now, let's talk about very briefly about las estaciones y los meses del año. We have the seasons and the months of the year. So we have 4 estaciones en el hemisferio norte, 4 seasons in the northern hemisphere, and those are like this. We have el invierno, winter. starting in diciembre, December, enero, January, febrero, and then we have primavera, spring, la primavera, starting in marzo, abril, so marzo, March, abril, April, mayo, May, and then we have el verano, and then el verano we have junio, June, julio, July, agosto. We have septiembre for el otoño, fall, el otoño, septiembre, octubre, October, noviembre, November, and then diciembre. You can take a look at this picture and maybe practice the pronunciation, repeating the video. I hope this helps. I hope this can be a good tool for you to practice. And I'll see you next time. Okay?